Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Iron Man on bass. Let's immediately dive into the iconic main riff. This powerful line is centered around the E minor pentatonic scale, starting on the 7th fret of your string. You'll then move to the 5th fret, creating that instantly recognizable heavy sound. The driving tempo, around 120 beats per minute, gives the riff its undeniable energy and impact. Focus on a strong, consistent attack for maximum effect. Moving into the verse, the bass line provides a solid, unwavering foundation. You'll often find yourself playing sustained notes, allowing the vocals and guitar to take center stage while maintaining the song's heavy feel. As you approach the pre-chorus, the bass line becomes a bit more active, subtly building tension and anticipation for the upcoming chorus. Pay attention to the rhythmic shifts here, as they are crucial for the song's dynamic flow. Now let's tackle the mighty chorus. Here, the bass line often mirrors the main guitar riff, creating a thick, unified sound that is incredibly impactful. Following this, the bridge section offers a slight departure, introducing a distinct melodic idea that provides a brief, yet effective, change of pace. Remember to emphasize the dynamic shifts between these sections. Playing with varying intensity will make your performance truly stand out and capture the song's essence. During the legendary guitar solo, your role as the bassist is to provide an unshakable, consistent foundation. Maintain a steady groove, allowing the guitar to soar over your solid rhythm. Finally, the outro brings us back to the iconic main riff, often repeating it several times before either fading out or concluding with a powerful, abrupt stop. Remember to practice slowly with a metronome to nail the timing and feel of each section, ensuring a powerful performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.